Hi guys. So we had to move from the last warehouse by the end of August, and a week from the end of the month, the guy that we were supposed to move to, he told us we can't move there. Basically, it was a whole thing, and we had to find a place to move within a week, and also pack everything. So that's what we did. We found a new place, and that's what we've been doing since the beginning of September. We moved, we started organizing things, we put everything, obviously, all the stores on vacation mode, but as soon as we got things together, we just opened the stores back. We turned off the vacation mode and started selling again. And we've been dealing with organizing stuff basically most of the time. So this is our small office. We have the photo shoot area. Still, everything obviously is a mess. We have those tables for me and my wife to work. And this is all Amazon merchant fulfilled, the media items. So those will go, everything on the shelving units will go on those kind of shelvings, which is just wood and half a block. We got this from Home Depot. Each plank is $15, and the half a block is $1.50. So, and as you can see, we have about how many? Like almost I know over 1,000 here. I guess maybe more. So yeah, and we'll take all of those down, and we'll put more shelving units like those. So this is what we currently have, and also obviously we have a warehouse space. Also, we just got back from a sourcing, just a lead that we had. I posted something on Facebook and somebody contacted me, so we drove there. It's like half an hour ride, and we scored like major stuff. A lot of books and CDs, like books about models and painting models. That's like really good money. And just few more CDs, like 2 bins full of CDs, and also Nintendo with games. We paid for everything. We took like 10 crates of books and 2 bins of CDs and a box of video games with the Nintendo. We paid $150. The guy, he's award-winning model painter, I think it's called. So yeah, he had some amazing stuff. Obviously we couldn't film anything inside, but I'm gonna show you what we got. I'm gonna go to the car and show you what we got. So we're at the car. Those are the stuff we just got. A lot of books. It's all like paint related, like how to paint stuff, how to paint like a specific kind of models. So those are all the books. We kind of cherry picked, but we also just, we saw like, I know those go pretty well, so I saw them and just picked them up. And some we just picked. Well, we took like eight of those crates, and we also have more stuff. Nintendo stuff with games and everything. I'll show you once I'll unpack everything. And we have more CDs, just not more, but CDs over there, all in good condition, like very good condition, and complete. And if we had more room, we would have gotten more. So those are all like different artists. He honestly, he gave this for free. It was just you know, an additional stuff for the purchase we made. We just paid for the books. Honestly, he just wanted to get paid for the books. That's it. I'm going to show you next what we have. So I've been listing, me and my wife, we've been listing CDs for the past couple hours with 424 more CDs. Half of it we got from that guy, and half of it we already had. So shelving unit looks pretty good. We filled the entire shelving unit, almost the entire shelving unit, in 3 days of listings. We did like 2 batches of almost 500 items. So we listed most of the CDs that we could list, you know, pretty easy with the UPC. They had UPC and it was easy to use, easy to scan and just list. We sorted them by condition and just bulk listed them. And we have some cool video games. We got one box of video games, like a Nintendo console, and also a few games, and I'm gonna show you right now. So a couple hours later, more than a couple, I'm gonna show you what we have with the video games, the box that we got. Those are the books that we took from him. It's books and some magazines. It's all about like how to paint models, all sorts of models, which is really cool. So basically I have like 8 of those crates here and here. And we got we got CDs that most of them are listed already. Those are without barcodes, so we have to manually check them. And we got this little box. So this is the case. It had a few games inside. Didn't check this. So we have the console, the Nintendo console. We have all the cables. We have this. Some items, I didn't test anything. I just looked at comps. So some stuff I did see which is basically valuable. Some stuff is not too valuable. So this one, this is an extension for Sega Genesis, if I'm not mistaken. This one with the 2 games, Star Wars and Doom. I think I saw a comp that for 175, something like that. We have 3 games. Nothing crazy. Battletoads, Off-Road, DuckTales, and some baseball. We have the Donkey Kong 2, which I had as a kid, not here, not in the US. It needs batteries, and it's missing the cover. But I saw something similar sells for 170. I need to check to make sure it's really, it goes for really that high, but I mean, he wanted for this box $20, so it was no brainer. some more Sega remotes and cables, 2 more games, Sonic and another, what is it, golf, the gun, and another game, Skater Die 2. So this, all of this we got for 20 bucks. So I think this went for like 50, the games and the console extension went for 170, this went for 170. This game, I think the Battletoads went for 40. I mean, there's a lot of money here. This, I don't remember, I didn't check. So yeah, that's what we got from him. The books, I think the average price is about $20, and some of the magazines, we can lot them up for pretty penny. We paid for everything $150. The CDs he threw away for free. So yeah, so there's no brainer really. So today we listed what was it, 130. So this is all the CDs that we recently listed. So everything here and everything here, I'm gonna put it all in similar shelving units. I already ordered them for pickup from Home Depot. So that's what I'm gonna do. Once it's ready for pickup, I'm gonna drive there again and pick it up. I don't know how I'm gonna fit everything in my private car, but I'm gonna try my hardest, because this is a really nice setup. To pull orders like this, that'll be easy instead of those. I mean, pulling orders from those kind of, like from this kind of setup, it's just hectic. Even though it's organized, it's just hard. So that's the update we have. Yeah, so we had issues with the move, so we had to adjust, and we found a place. We've just been organizing. As you can see, it's still a mess, but we put everything on vacation mode for like 3 weeks, but within a week I thought I can just do things organized while we sell and package, ship and everything. So I just took it off after a few days, maybe a week, and that's it. It's been hectic since, and it will be hectic in the upcoming weeks, because we also bought like I think it will be between 5 or 6 pallets worth of toys from one of our suppliers, preparing for holiday season. So it's gonna be interesting, because as you can see, I don't have much room to spare. Yeah, so we'll figure it out. So thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you guys.